How do expats navigate medication expenses abroad? Medication costs for expats. What you need to know. Buy international health insurance. Before embarking on your journey, invest in a comprehensive global healthcare policy. Most plans will have a base of hospital coverage that will be global, excluding the USA or including the USA. Expats can also add vision, dental, medical evacuation, and wellness. Expat healthcare can provide protection in case of unexpected medical emergencies, including prescription medications. Expats should make sure to carefully review the policy details, coverage limits, and exclusions. Carry essential prescription medication. Global citizens should try to obtain an adequate supply of their essential medications, especially when they travel or in a region where prescription medicines may be challenging to obtain. This can help you avoid running out of medication while abroad and reduces the immediate need to purchase costly medications in a foreign country. Check out generic alternatives. Many experts and pharmacists will ask you to inquire about the availability of generic versions of your prescribed medications. Such generic drugs are often more affordable than brand-name counterparts and can help you save significantly on medication expenses. Generic brands are known for their trimmed-down packaging and plain labels. Buy medications abroad. If you need a medication, ask your MD if the medication can be purchased abroad with the help of a local doctor. Medication costs in the USA are often significantly higher than the same medications purchased in Canada, Europe, and many other countries. Do your research on destination country health system. It makes sense for international citizens moving abroad to understand the local healthcare system as much as possible. You should check out the availability of pharmacies, costs of medications, and prescription rules. Carry your medication list. Have your pharmacy provide you with a detailed list of all the medications you are taking, including their generic names, dosages, and intended uses. Such a medication list can help future healthcare providers, such as doctors and hospitals in your destination country, in understanding your medical needs. Consider an emergency medical fund. Setting aside an emergency fund specifically for future medical expenses makes some sense, but is not a substitute for having local or global health insurance coverage. Having a financial cushion can alleviate stress in case you unexpectedly need to purchase medications or seek medical attention abroad. Use global pharmacy services. Some online pharmacies specialize in shipping medications internationally, but make sure you are not running afoul of the local medication regulations in your expat destination country. You can often research reputable options that offer competitive prices and genuine medications. Check out local medication programs. Expats should research if the local government has sponsored health programs or discounts for expats. Some countries provide access to affordable healthcare services and medications for expats. Negotiate your medication prices. There are a few countries where medication prices are negotiable, especially for non-life-threatening conditions. Ask the pharmacist if the price is negotiable or if there is a discount to potentially lower the cost of your medications. Shop around for meds. You will be surprised how medication prices can vary, not only from country to country, but from one pharmacy to another. Medication assistance programs. Some pharmaceutical companies offer medication assistance programs that provide discounted or free medications to eligible individuals, including those moving abroad. Research if such programs are available for your prescribed drugs. Ask for assistance from embassies or consulates. If you encounter challenges in accessing affordable medications, contact your home country's embassy or consulate in the destination country. They may provide guidance or resources to help you navigate the local healthcare system. Ask your expat health insurer for assistance. If you are covered by a global health plan, you may be able to ask the insurer for a second opinions on the medications you are taking and the treatment you are receiving. It is a valuable resource that you should think about using. They might even have a way to obtain a discount on medications. Moving abroad involves careful planning, especially when it comes to managing medication expenses. We hope that the tips and information will help you be more proactive and healthy abroad. Obtain your global health plan via expatfinancial.com. Contact Expat Financial via phone, email, or via our website to discuss your unique global insurance needs. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more informative content.